Next we need to create an axle positioning sketch, and this will be a very powerful element later on in the project. First of all though, what I want to do is turn off the mirror. So I'm going to go back and right click on these renamed pockets that I've got and define the in-work object, and now I'm back to the 1/2 of the product. So now instead of choosing a pocket or a pad, I'm going to go up and simply choose the sketch icon and then choose the plane I wish to sketch on, and then select a line. I want an axle to be up the back here because it's a rail car, and making sure that my line is actually horizontal, I'm going to click out here. Now while that line is highlighted, I'm going to turn it into a construction element. So a standard element was like a sketch that actually is working, and a construction element is visible but not functioning. So I'm going to turn that off, click off that, and now what I need to do is turn on the points at either end of the line. So I'm going to select that point there, and in order to select more than one object I need to hold down the control key. So holding down control, I grab the other end of the line, and now I go back up and turn those points back on. So now what I want to do is I want to actually constrain those to a particular distance so that in the future I'll be able to control where they are. So we've done this or something very similar before. So what I want to do is I'm going to select that line there, holding down control, I'm going to choose the ZX plane. These are in parallel, and now I'm going to put a number on that. So let's say at the moment we'll make that 26 millimeters, and then I'm going to select that one there, hold down control, and I want to choose the YZ plane, and I'm going to constrain the rear axle. Let's say we'll make that nice round number 55 millimeters from the back plane of the car, and that leaves only this one here, which I choose, hold down control, grab the YZ plane again, and then I'm going to constrain that. So I'll make that a nice round number 215. Now if I exit the workbench, all I can really see is these orange markers where the axles are going to be.